Hey guys, welcome to the another tutorial of Service Seller app. In the last video tutorial, we have designed the login page and connect the Firebase with our app. So in this tutorial, we are going to design the register screen, and if possible, we can connect the Firebase code to register the user as well. So first of all I am going to change the name of this screen to login screen because it is my home page. I am going to change it and name it as login screen so it is easily understandable. Login screen and refactor, so it is here and it is changes everywhere. So in lib I am going to create a new directory and name it as screens, and in screens I am going to create a new file name as sign up screen, and now import a library in it, material.dart library, and make a class as sts stateful class, name it as register screen. Okay, so here I take a scaffold as well, and in scaffold app bar is app bar, and background color of an app bar is colors dot green, and elevation is 0.0. And now body, it's the time for a body. So in body I'm going to give a column, and in column I'm going to give a children. So now I'm going back to the login screen to add a here to put it here a sign up button, register button. So I'm just copy this container of login where I create a login button, so I just put it here and change it to sign up, and now how to load the app. So it is here. So whenever I click on sign up or register screen, let it make it a sign up. Okay, so whenever I click on sign up, it goes to the register screen, and when I click on login, it will get the credentials from the text field and log in the user if account is already created. So make it this button clickable. I wrap the container with inkwell widget to make get the onPress method inkwell, and I can use it a ontap method of it. So in ontap I am going to write a navigator code to navigate to the register screen. Navigator dot push, not push replacement because we have to come back. Material page route context, and now the name of the screen is register screen, and put a semicolon here. Now I again auto-load the app, and now click the sign up button. It comes to this screen. Okay, now it's look good. So now I am going to create another container for same container. So I'm going to copy the code from the login screen because for the sake of time, so I'm going to copy this whole container and put the as well, and now maximize. Okay, fine. I'm going to give the title to the text tab bar. Text is a register screen, and here I can change the best service. It's okay, fine. So I'm going to auto load it. Yes, that's good. Okay, now I'm going to make the text fields and the required text field which we want the user to write it. So I'm going to copy only one text field and use it for the different purposes we want, and so paste it here. And first of all we are going to take the details from the user at the time of registration. We we required email, phone number, name and password. Okay, first field is email, so I copy it and paste it here. For enter your password, and again I copy it here for enter your phone, and again I copy it and paste it here for enter your password. Okay. Oh nice, sorry. Enter your name, enter your name, enter your phone, enter your password. Okay, and make it a true, because and it's a password icon as well. So icon dot password. Okay, and for phone I'm going to place a phone icon if it is available. Let's check. So it's a phone icon, and for name I'm going to use a person icon. So that's it. So now I am also hot reload the app to see whether it is text field is placed or not. So enter your email, enter your password, enter your phone and enter your name. That's like a good but just I am going to remove the padding from top padding from it. uh, I will make it a 28, and here also 28, and here also 28, and now hot reload it. So now hot reload it, please. Okay, now it's so good. So here we also want a button, so I'm just going to copy the button code also as well, and here it is a button. I just copy it and paste it here. Sorry, I copied the wrong code. Copy, and here, and in outside the container we have to paste it here, and this one is register, and again paste it, and this were for already have account to navigate to the login screen. So I hot reload it. See, the button appears, but I have to move the top padding, so it will be make it 20. Now it's so good. So now first I am also going to wrap the column in a single child scroll view, because you see whenever I tap on this it's give a error when you run it on Android device or a real device. So I will wrap it a single child scroll view to wrap the whole screen as scroll view. So it wrap the column with a scroll view, so that the overflow error will be gone when you run it on a real device. So now I will wrap the login screen. Now I create the controllers, and for now I'm going to create the controller for text field controller, text field, sorry, not text field, text editing controller, sorry, text editing controller, email controller, not like this, email controller, text editing controller, and fine, let's copy paste for 4 times, and here I write phone controller, and here I write pass controller, and here I write name controller. That's it. And now I'm going to put the controller inside the text fields. Controller, email controller, and for the same is for this controller, password controller, and same for this controller, phone controller, and here it is for controller, name controller. So now I'm going to wrap the login button, already have account button with the inkwell widget to get the on pressed method to navigate to the login screen on tab, and I'm going to here and copy the navigator.push code, navigator.push, and place it here login screen, login screen, and title is as a login screen. Okay, fine. Now I click on already have account, so it appears here. So if you don't want to give this, you can remove the title from that screen. So I remove it because I remove this, and I also go here and remove the title of this. I remove this line, so it also give the error here, so I remove it and remove the constant field and this one, and give the title to the here login screen. Now it's so good, you don't have to pass the other things as well. So now whenever you call the login screen, you don't have to pass the title for it. So now I hot restart the app and it seems look good. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, if you have any query, you can contact me personally anytime, or you can drop the comment. I will respond quickly to it. So see you in next video. Goodbye.